What do you do when you're in an accident and you or someone you love is hurt, maybe even hurt bad, and the police officer comes and he tells you, "I'm sorry, but the other driver was uninsured"? Are you out of luck? Is that the end of your rope? It's not. I'm here to tell you why. And keep this in mind, whether it's you or somebody you love. I'm going to tell you exactly what to do. Number one, look at your own policy of insurance. That's right, your insurance, not the person that's at fault. There's two policy provisions in your own insurance that can save you a great deal of money, and you'll lose that or you'll miss out on that if you don't know this. The first one is called medical payments coverage. Now, many people have this in $5,000, $10,000 increments. Has nothing to do with who's at fault, just who's in your car or your house or your business that you own. All that has to happen is they have medical bills, and this policy provision of coverage kicks in, and it pays up to the policy limit if you show them medical bills. So imagine the other driver was a turnip, had no insurance whatsoever, even though that's illegal, was completely irresponsible. Look to your own policy for medical payments, and that might cover up to $10,000 of the bills you have with your doctor. That's particularly helpful when you have non-covered or deductibles that kick in after your health insurance. First, submit everything to your health insurance, then use that medical payments coverage to cover what's not covered or what's a deductible. Number two is even better than that. Most of us have what's called underinsured motorist coverage or uninsured motorist coverage. This is on our own policy, and it's pennies on the dollar. If you don't have it, make sure you go out right now and get it. Call your agent and get it. UIM or UM coverage. It's for drivers that harm you but don't have insurance or don't have enough insurance. Say you have $500,000 of damage, they only have $20,000 of insurance. It's a nightmare. On your own policy, you can have coverage that if you're hurt by somebody like this, it kicks in and it covers you up to the face amount. Again, it can save you hundreds and hundreds of thousands of dollars, or somebody you love when they need it most. Check your own policy. First of all, medical payments coverage. Second, underinsured motorist or uninsured motorist coverage. And number three, you need to have somebody investigate. Even if the cop tells you, the officer tells you they're uninsured, who owned the car? Were they working? In Iowa, the driver of the car is liable for his own negligence, but did you know that the person who owns the car is also liable by giving them permission to drive their car? Not only do they have insurance, but they have assets that can be used to satisfy any of your damages. What if they were on a job? The police don't look at any of these things. These are all things that need to be investigated. Sometimes there's more insurance than they tell you. Sometimes there's more than that at $20,000 minimum. There's a second coverage called an umbrella coverage they don't tell you about. It has to be carefully investigated. These are the things you got to do if you're told that the person who hurt you doesn't have insurance or doesn't have enough insurance. That's not the end. There's more to get.